Hello everyone, welcome to the text Talk. My name is Anuj Kumar, a Jira Administration Trainer. So today in Jira Admin Training Session 11, we will see about the JQL, that is a Jira Query Language. So JQL that is a Jira Query Language is the most powerful query language used in the Jira to search for okay and filter the issue based upon the specific requirement. So as we know in our Jira software we have different types of issue, means different issue types. So that we have a story, task, subtask, bug. Okay, so these are different types of issues. Now in company we will have a and lots of number of the stories, means thousands numbers of stories. Okay, or you can take lakhs and lakhs of the issue type. Okay, now you want to filter the issue type according to the requirement of the stakeholder or client. Then how you will manually search from this hundreds and thousands of the stories. For that we can use the JQL, that is a Jira Query Language. Here we can search according to the project. Then inside the project, which issue type you want to search, you can mention that. And then which assignee is which developer is assigned to which story, you can search that. In this way, we are basically using a JQL, that is a Jira Query Language. In brief, JQL stands for Jira Query Language. It allows you to perform advanced search operation in Jira. Basically, we have seen a basic search operation. Now we will see the advanced search operation in Jira. You can filter the record. Okay, you can filter the issue based upon the fields like project. Means there are different types of project. Then you will write project equal to project name. Different types of status. So as a status, we know that in which status the issue is. Basic. We have to do, in progress, unit testing done. These are different types of status. So we can write status, which story you want to see. Then assigning means which developer is assigned to respective stories. Means one story assigned to Anuj Kumar, one story is assigned to the Abhay, one story assigned to Ajit. So in this way, you can see the story is assigned to which person. Then reporter. You can see the issue type according to which reporter is basically you want to see the stories where the Anuj is a reporter. So in that case, you can write the reporter name and issue type. The labels. We have created labels and components, and inside that label and component, we have added the respective user story. So, so here the labels come into picture. We can see the like some one component or label I have created as a UI, that is the front end, and I have kept all the front end story in that component. Then with the help of label and component, we can search the respective story which are under the label UI. Then you can also search with the date and time. Okay. Other syntax, the general syntax, let me show you like status to do in progress. You want to in progress. And when you use two queries, we can use and operator. So the status is in progress and assignee equal to and means we can use two things and assignee equal to Anuj. Then we can give get the stories or get the issue type, which basically which have assignee on which. Okay. Now moving to next. These are common operator equal to, not equal to, contains means and does not contain. If contains, we will use like every issue type or it have the summary. Okay. Now, I want to search a story which contain front end or back end in their, yeah, contain API in their summary. So we can write summary contains API. Then it will give all the story which contain API word in its summary. Then in, not in. So uh, basically I want to say, okay, when I will move into the practical, then I will tell you what is the difference between not in in. I want to search a story like which is assigned to Anuj and assigned to a Aman also. Then there we will use in operator to use the multiple operation. When we want to use multiple operation, we can use in, then Anuj comma Avar. Not in this, they are not included. Then we use basic and operator too. as we have seen here, previous and operator we are using here to combine the two values of syntax. Now, order by is basically used to order by ascending order by descending order, or it means either one condition is true or second condition is true. Then this or. Now, these are different types of JQL queries. Let's go through it one by one. So basically, all issue, if we want to see the all issue in the project, and the project name is Ramasoft, so we can write project equal to Ramasoft. Okay. Now, first I will go through the some basic queries. Then after I will move to the practical. Now, if you want to see the all the project inside the story, then in JQL you write project equal to Ramasart, project equal to Microsoft, project equal to e-commerce. In this way, you can see the all this. Now, if you want to see issue assigned to particular developer, then assignee equal to Anuj. Okay. If you want to see issue in specific status, in status in to do, in progress, done, then we can write status equal to do. So we will get all the issue type which are in to do state. Status equal to done. We will get the all the issue type which are done. Then you want to report it by a user. And we have different types of stories or issue type, and they have different reporter as we have seen in previous classes. Like let, let me duplicate. Okay, okay. Here we can also see these are reporter Anuj K9591 means this story will be reported to this Anuj. This is basically me. Okay. So basic in issue we have the issue type. This is the story. This is the key. This is the summary. This is the status to do, in progress, done. Okay. These are different types of status. Then these are the sprint which is related to this story is related to sprint 6. These are related to no none. Okay. Then these are the assignees which developer is assigned to respective user stories. Okay. Now this is reporter. This story should be reported to this person. Means this person will be notified every time when this person do some update the story. So this person should be notified. Now these are the priority: high, highest, low, lowest, medium, and resolution. Unresolved issue, done issue. Which are completed, they are in done. Which are not completed, they are in unresolved. Okay. Which are done, they are done. Which are not done, they are unresolved. Then we have created, updated, and due date. Okay. One story I have mentioned due date, other do not, I have not mentioned due date. Okay. Now this is the basic, this is the JQL. Okay. Now we will, in this session, we are going to see JQL. Now moving to the next. Oh, uh, reporter I have seen. Then issue type. You want to see an story with means you want to see an we know issue types. There are different types of issue type. We have epic story, bug, task. Okay, and here we have this. This is the issue type. Okay, story, bug, task. If I can show you currently, I write ISSUE issue P by P issue type. Select this equal to, then after entering the same column, we can see these are the custom issue type which we have developed in previous classes. This bug is a by default issue type. Epic is by default issue type. Story is by default issue, subtask and task. Okay. Issue type equal to I want demo 10. Okay. Enter. It will get all the issue type which are in demo 10. If issue type now, let me move to the next. issue type. Now, multiple condition, we use and operator to combine multiple condition, like project equal to Rama shop and status equal to in progress. Then we use and operator. Okay. And like now, any of the multiple values, I have told you that for multiple values we use in operator, like status in I want to do status also, in progress status also, block wise. So how we will write status in open bracket, colon, to do, comma, then second, then third. So in this way we are use for handling with multiple values. Okay. Now excluding. For including we use in, for excluding we use not in operator. So assigning not in John, Dio and Anuj. So it will give the all the respective issue type which where John, Dio and Anuj is not an assignee. Text search, as I have told, this contains basically used. You want to search, like in summary, in summary, in issue type there is an invoice. So you want to search those things which have invoice. So write summary contains invoice. So it will give all the issue type which contain invoice in their summary. Now we can also use the date, means created by greater than smaller to -7 days. So it will give the stories in past 7 days which has been created. Okay. So from past 7 days created, we can use -7 days. Okay. Unassigned issue. Unassigned issue means assignee is empty. Assignee is empty means no one is assigned to respective issue type. So it basically, if no one is assigned to respective issue type, then it is unassigned. So it will give the all issues which are unassigned. Okay. That is the thing. Find the recently resolved issue. Recently resolved means which have mark to it done. So status equal to done and resolve greater than equal to -5 days. Recently means means 5 days, 4 days back, 6 days back. So these are the recently resolved. So I can write the status equal to done and resolve equal to -5 days. So it will give all the issue type uh, within the 5 days. फिर उसके बाद find the issue by component or label name. So in previous classes we have given some component and label. Okay, like component equal to APIs. It means issue type which contain API related thing which they are under this component, API component, and label in here he is checking the two of condition, urgent or backend. So it will give both the issue type which have comes under urgent and backend. Now coming to the practical form. So this is, let me refresh, duplicate first, refresh this one. This is JQL. This is JQL. Okay. Because I want to go to, so okay. Now let me close this first. Click here. Then after clicking here, go to your Jira board. After going to your Jira board, what you will do, from where you will go to that advanced Jira query language or Jira query language. So go come here, all work. Yeah, in some it will return an issue. Click on all work. After clicking on all work, let it refresh. After clicking on all work, what will happen here? You can see there is a first one is a basic filter. So we have seen how in basic filter we basically do. We can project, select the project name. Here you can select the project name, any project. Okay. Now what is the issue type? Then you will select on the issue type. refresh. Okay, issue type what I want, select any. Okay, then status, what is the status, to do in progress done, then we select as a in progress open issue to do. Okay, and then assigning is which developer, a current user. Okay, so in this way basically we are doing with the basic. Okay, now what we will do, we will go to the JQL, that is the advanced query language. So one more thing for your practicing, whatever the basic filter you have just created here, then you will click on the JQL. You will get the JQL query language. Whatever you have done in basic, the same thing, the Jira query language will be shown in the JQL. So project in, because I have selected two project, employee project and P1. So project in operator is basically used for dealing with the multiple. Okay, then and operator for checking two conditions, and type or issue type you can write, demo, and status, to do, and assignee, current user, order by created DSC. So in this way, let me show you more. Like currently, I want to select only one project. Okay, and I want to, yeah, check epic also. Okay, status I want to check, no, done also. Okay, and user I want to check not current user. I this one and this one. Okay. Now you want the query language of this thing. To go to JQL, you can see the query language project equal to EM, and type in I have chosen two, demo and epic, and status in I have chosen two, to do in progress, and assigning Anuj Kumar, order by created DESC. So order by DESC, descending order, order by created ASC, ascending order. So let me refresh first. Now from starting, we will see how to do the JQL. Now let me now let me move to the JQL query language. Now what I will do here. Now what we will do, we will see from basic to advanced level of how to do the use the JQL query language. Let me add my chart first. So so if we want to search in for the any types of project, what we will write, project equal to and project name. So so PROJECT project, you can select it from drop down and equal to then your project name. So basically you can see projected employee workspace project, and key is EM. Project is 13 and key is this. Project is 9 and key is P9. So you can either write whole project name or just a key. Whole, okay. So like here, I am writing key. So you can see it has been employee workplace EM. Okay. If I enter, I will see all the issue type inside this project. Okay. Now it is refreshing and I get the all. Now currently I am seeing all the issue type inside one project. Now if I want to see inside a multiple project, then use in operator, and then you can write project first with this one. Then you can select employee workspace project, comma, this project. So it will give all the issue type. This issue type means this type. This story, task, bug. This red color is bug, green color is story. Okay. This epic, this baggy color. This is I forgot the what is the name, baggy color. Okay, this is the epic. So now, after hitting the enter, now currently it is showing the all the issue type, including both the project. Okay, so this is the first basic thing, how to see the all the issue type inside any project. Okay, now moving on to the further, and operator means checking the two condition, and Status, status means, let me duplicate first to chai. We will go to status. Now, okay, okay. Here we will go to backend. Here we will go to backend. Now, what we will do? Okay, active sprint. Active sprint means sprint. Now, this you can see to do status, in progress status, test execution status, done status. So this is basically a status. Okay. Now what? Now status equal to colon what we want done. Then it will show the all the stories which are done. Okay. And refreshing. Okay, all the status which are done. Now I want more than one status. So status in, after status in, open bracket, done, comma, in progress, and this one, enter. After hitting the enter, enter, refresh. Now we can see done, in progress. In progress, done. So these two things we have just seen. Okay, now we will move to the further, more, more. Now we have seen status. Now keep on adding and issue, type, issue type. Issue, what is issue type? This is issue type. Story, task, subtask. So issue type, I want only story. STORY. Enter. Enter. Now, after entering, you will see the issue types all are stories. Now I not now I also want epic, story, task, subtask, miss more. So you have to write in operator for multiple things. Bracket, STORY, story, comma. I also want bug. Bug means pida. Enter. After entering, I can see the stories and bug also. Now we have moved further to one step. Now what? Now, um, huh, huh. We have seen the issue type, this and this. Now I want see, I want assignee. These are the assignee. Okay. So I want like Anuj Kumar is assignee. Okay, and these are unassigned issues. So an Anuj K95, Anuj K. Okay. See, if you want only the issue where this Anuj Kumar is the assignee in issue type, then what? Again, and add one more condition, and ASSIGN assignee equal to, and the name Anuj Kumar. This Anuj. Okay. So now I am getting only those issue type which the assignee is Anuj Kumar. Similarly, if you want to see only those issue type where the reporter is Anish Kumar, then what you will do, uh, reporter, reporter equal to, and here select Anish Kumar, and after entering what we will get, just enter. There is no issue like this. Okay, so no problem. If not there, no problem. And okay, now next, REPORT reporter equal to Anuj Kumar. Uh, Reporter equal to this Anuj. Okay, so this Anuj Kumar is a reporter in many of the issue types. So we can see the reporter. This is the Anuj Kumar. Okay. Now I also want to search by the priority. So what I can do? You can also write and priority priority, that is priority equal to then medium. So we can see there are medium, high. I want high and enter. So currently I am getting the all the issue type which have the highest priority. Okay. Now I have seen assignee priority. Okay. Now sprint. So let me now okay, sprint. This is a sprint. Okay. Now you want to check the remove priority. Remove the priority. Now want to check, you want if your respective senior stakeholder ask you to give the only those stories which are in certain sprint, like sprint one, sprint two. So basically sprint are also mentioned in the series order, means sprint one, sprint two, sprint three, sprint four, sprint five. Okay. So write sprint enter equal to uh, okay. Now you can see sprint are also in series. Means sprint one, then sprint two is two, three, four, five, six. Whenever you create first sprint, it will name as a sprint one. When we create second sprint, it will name as a sprint two. Then third sprint three. Okay. So, and if you want to edit the sprint name, you know how to edit the sprint name. By default, you can search by sprint one, sprint two. Okay. If I write sprint one only, then let's see what will happen. Nothing happen. I want to this enter. So we can see under this sprint, these are the different types of issue type. This is basically a subtask. Okay. And unassigned reporter priority resolution unresolved. So this resolution, all the this heading you are seeing priority resolution created by, you can mention here. Okay. Like there is a created by. Okay. If somebody asks, I want the issue type which are created in the 12th June 2025 at this time. Okay. So how you will do? Same, simple. Created created and equal to, I think, 12 Jan. Uh, this is the right format or not? I don't I forgot. Okay. This is not right format. The right format will be, let me see what will be the right format. Created equal to single colon 2025 January, February, March, April, May 5th, 05 dash. This currently have no any. Let me check first. No. I double yes, should type equal to ST R by story. Oh, spelling mistake. story. Enter. After hitting the enter, we will get all the stories open. Now, and, and created, created, created. Okay. If I want the things which are created in past, I can mention like single 2025 dash and 04 dash 055 dash enter. Hmm. Now it is working. So basically, what is done here? It is giving me the all the story which are created after this. Okay. So we are getting 8th May 2025. Okay. So in this way, we can search it by the name, matlab date. Okay. Now, if we want before, if you want before, just enter. So it is giving me the things. Before. Yeah. Now, what we will do? Uh, where I was in scripts. So, enter. Hmm. Now, if you want to see a sprint, okay. So we have seen how to write the sprint. I want the all the story. Sprint is not empty. Like sprint is not operator. I am showing you is not empty. So it will give me all the stories. Refreshing. Okay. So in this way, you can see all the stories. We have seen how to use is now. So the sprint which are not empty, it will give the all the issues. Means this in a sprint where there is any types of issue assigned to inside the sprint. Basically, we are getting all the issue time of that sprint. Okay. Now what we will do? Now we have seen project type, and let me show. I have shown you project issue type. I have shown you priority. I have shown you. Okay. Issue type priority. Okay. Status reporter. I have also told you. Now status. I have also told you. Reporter. I also told you. Summary. Okay. Summary. This is a summary. Now what? Summary. Yes, you double MARY summary. Where is that sign? This sign. Summary story. Bug one. We use the bug one. Oh no. No, not in this. This is not a proper format. No, this is also not a proper format. What was the format? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, this was the format. Summary Tilda. Story. Enter. After getting the enter, let me see. Okay, so I am getting all the issue types where the in summary there is a word story. Okay, very good. Now what issue type? Resolution. Okay, resolution I told you not. Here you can see. resolution. Now, if you want to see only the issues which are unresolved or done, so you can write resolution equal to unresolved. Okay. Now, component. Let me see component. comp component equal to, okay, service one component, enter. Nothing is here in service one component. No problem. We will move to next. Now, version. But we know fixed version and versions. So if some story is assigned to any types of a fixed version, backlog, version 3.0, version 3.0. Now your stakeholder client have asked, give me the only those stories which have the version 3.0. Fast, today only, within 5 minutes. And what we will do? We will write fix. We will write a fixed version equal to 1 minute. But I will write six version equal to enter, and version was 3.0 enter. So I will get basically all the stories which have the version. Okay. Now I have found a fixed version. Now what is left? Okay. Now if somebody asks your respective stakeholder and anyone ask, give me the issue type which has been updated last 1 week. Okay, so you can write up updated, then last means greater than equal to previous date you want to see minus 1 week for week W enter. So we will get all the issue type which had been updated in the last 1 week. Okay, so this is, if you want to issue updated from last 1 week and last 1 day. So how you will write, like updated 1 week and updated updated last 1 day greater than equal to minus 1 day enter, this way. Now, okay, issues updated in updated last 1 week and in 1 day. So we will write in this way. Okay. Now you want, if you want to see the issue which due issue is failed or current, due issue is last 1 week. For previous date you will use minus. Okay. Now what? Okay. Now move to the next. So basically, a Jira query language basically made up of a queue. Queue is made up of the field, operator, and values. Okay. So Jira query language is made up of the queue, and queue is made up of the field, operator, and value. So what is a field? The field are the different types of information in the system. Like field can be priority, status, type. These are the field. Okay. And what is the operator? Operator are this and operator and or not. These are the different types of operator. Okay. Now value. What is the value? Value are the actual data which you are giving. This is the value. This is the value. Okay. So this is the value. Key, and what is key? Keywords. Keywords are the specific word in the language that we have used. For example, and or these are. Then we have seen this. Now we will move to further. Status we have seen, find summary we have seen of okay. Let me show you now a big queries. Okay, big queries. Big queries in the sense, first let me show you. Remove this one. Now I will combine, like I want to get a issue type, which have been created and in past 30 days. So past 30 days means minus 30 days, greater than equal to minus 30. That is created means something which is created, created, greater than equal to minus 30 days. ठीक ना? Then enter something mistake I have done here. Created is mistake. Created mistake. See, okay, this is created only. Okay, then it is greater than equal to minus 30 days. Enter. After hitting the enter, I should get a response. Taking too much time. Okay. So I have get the all the issue type which has been created in the past 30 days for past minus. Now what I will do then, now this we have get the all the thing. Now we will see ascending or descending. For ascending or descending, what we will do? Order by ORDE, order by. ASC means ascending, DSC means descending. DESC. Oh, space DES. Again, mistake. Take ASC. Not AS. AESC. DES. Okay. Description. Okay. I have put the all. Okay. Now what we will do? Order by CREAT, created. Okay. ASC means ascending. Enter. Okay. Now refreshing. Okay. Now similar way you want to order in DSC, DESC. Enter. Enter. Now I will get the refresh. Okay. In descending order, it has been done. Now what? Now let's move to the next. Now these are the created in past 30 days and 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 project 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 equal to EM. I have selected EM. Okay, and project equal to EM. Enter. So I have get all the issue type created in the past 30 days project equal to EM. Now what? Now you want an specific issue type. Then again and ISS issue TY type. Issue type equal to what you want. Issue type in. I want multiple issue type. Issue type in. Then I want epic select epic, comma. I want story. Select story. I want subtask, subdemo, subtask. Enter. Enter. So now I am getting all the created in past 30 days project equal to EM and issue type in epic story and subtask. Now I want status also. And status equal to do done what? STATUS status in. I want status in. Oh, sorry. Status in. Uh, done status I want, comma, status I want, in progress I want, comma, status I want, to do, right? Enter. Now, there is nothing related to this, no problem, no problem. Only this much I want, nothing, no problem. Only done I want, only done, only done. No problem. The status equal to done. Problem. No problem. Leave this one. Now next word. Now if I want an assignee, first, enter. Now and all are open issue. All are open issue. Nothing is done. Oh, that's why I'm not getting any issue. Let me again type uh, status 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 equal to open enter. Uh, uh, Status does not exist or you do not have a permission. Oh, I have removed the permission. How? Uh, okay, okay, enter. Okay. Now status equal to open. Now what? I want an assignee and assignee unassigned assignee equal to unassigned equal to un अरे भाई what I will do I will do Kasha copy paste assignee equal to Anuj Kumar this person Anuj Kumar. Now, after doing this, after doing assignee, what I will do? I have assignee. Okay. Now, remove the assignee for little bit a moment. Now, I want to order one. Means order my means order in ascending or descending. So, write order by created and PES enter. So, in this way, we are generally doing the JQL. So now, from advanced to beginner level, we have seen the order by. Now, if somebody asks you to, some client or stakeholder ask project manager that I only want those story which are overdue. Okay, so you can write overdue. DU, nothing come here. Overdue. Oh, sorry. Overdue, we write due only. Okay, for overdue, we write due, which have been passed. Zero. So it will show you the those stories which have been overdue. Okay. Now today's uh, remove this one. Today is 12th 5 10th. The due date was 10, the due date was 4/20. So these stories are overdue. Okay. So in this way you can see the story which are overdue. Means the developer has not doing the work properly. So this way. So we have done priority we have done, Jira operator we have done, custom field we have done, attachment categories created by we have seen, epic we have seen, student we have seen, labels we have done. Okay, in operator we have done functions. What is basic function? The function, you know what is a function? Functions are predefined things which perform certain types of action. Okay, that are the functions. So, okay, now that's it for the JQL. From today, your Jira advanced classes over. See you in the next classes.